What's up, my malditos? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Benjamin and this is where I do everything bougie on a budget. I give you life adventures, and on every Wednesdays with my new series I give you health and fitness. Today, you guys, I'm pressing reset on the button right now.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
When I tell you guys that I'm pressing reset, what I'm talking about is I am pressing reset on my wardrobe. It's time for me to go through all of these things, all of these colognes, maybe some of those bags, and definitely a lot of these shoes. Alright, so my ultimate goal with this whole reset situation is, like I said, to get rid of all the old clothes that I'm not using or that I have bought a year or so ago and have never touched, and donate them to, I don't know, Goodwill or whatever. What I really wanted to do was replace a lot of these outfits with clothes that are more seasonal, like some stuff that I can wear throughout the entire year. I would like to be able to reuse my clothes over and over and over again. So now, let's get into it. Alright, so some of the first things that I have here, you guys, are t-shirts. T-shirts that I have not worn ever. I got this black and gold one. Definitely, would I wear this ever again? Actually, I never even wore it. The tag is still on there. I got this, I believe, from Macy's. I'm gonna give it 6 more months. I know, that's not the way this is supposed to work. But hey, hold on, give me a moment. This is from Zara. I will wear this again. I have worn this before. I really like this. So yes, I will be keeping that. Okay, so now onto the collared shirts. Yeah, I think I'm only gonna keep just like 2 of these. Like, this one's really cute. Definitely do like this black one with the white striped collar on it. That's really cute. And the rest can go. Okay, so I have to be very careful with how I pick and choose my button-ups, because I would give these away. Like, I would buy them, use them once, and then give them away, and all of a sudden I'm like, wait, damn, I needed that for this occasion. So,
I don't think I've ever worn this. I'm gonna try this on.
Alright, really quick, Hawaiian shirts, you guys, are really cute, but just gotta go. Okay, so far, that seems like that's it for the clothes for now. Because I'm gonna go over some other stuff that I have too. Okay, so now it's time to go over a lot of the shoes that I have. Yeah. a lot of shoes. I just recently bought these heels, by the way, and I got them only for $7 at Goodwill. You never know, I might bust up and drag again someday. No, so I'm just staying ready. I'm always gonna keep these classic. They're still clean, they're really good. Classic dress shoes. Like, these classic shoes should never be given away. I just got these. These are the slip-on dress shoes, or backless dress shoes as they call it. I haven't even really worn them, so I'm not gonna give these away, but I am looking for the all black version of this, because I think if I had the all black version of this, I know that I'd be wearing this more, because I don't know what to dress myself with like this. I mean, maybe like an all black outfit and then throw this on. Okay, so now I'm just gonna reorganize like the closet or the shoe rack prop right now. So, yeah. Quick story. You ready? My boyfriend built this for me years ago. Like maybe, because we've been together for almost now 12 years. I think he bought me this like 1 year, not bought it for me, but he built it for me like 1 year into our relationship, because I was like, babe, I need like something to do with my shoes. That's the story. Alright, so it comes to these jackets, my little bochona moments over here, which you've seen in my past video. None of that is leaving, okay? But I do need to go over a lot of these jackets and make sure that it's something that I would keep or let go of. So let's go through them. Okay, listen, I will never give this jacket away because it has my team logo on it. So it's my little baby. I haven't actually worn it ever, so still gotta try, right? I bought this when I was in Virginia Beach. West Virginia Beach? Virginia Beach? Rehoboth Beach. There. I'm gonna give it away. It's not the vibe. Alright, so I know you can't see it, but you know what? This is cute. This is still wearable for even like now. Okay, she cute. Now there is another closet, and I've done this closet before, and I kind of wanted to see if we can go over a few more things here. I do have this big old jean jacket that I recently just bought. Hold on, you guys. Let me try this on for you, and let's see if this is something that I should keep. And I'm looking at it, you guys, and you know what? Never mind. I'm not gonna even try it on. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it over there because really, it's never gonna be worn. I'm not a jean jacket person anyway, so I don't know why I'm acting like that. You know? I have a lot of vests in here too. That, this long one. This is like a super long vest. I haven't worn that ever. And I bought that like, maybe like 10 years ago. Sorry about the lighting. But yeah, a lot of these things are still brand new that I'm gonna keep them. All right, really quick, you guys, here's that jean jacket that I was just about to just throw away. I think I can find a better jean jacket, though. It is super comfortable inside because it's wool. I don't know if you can tell the fabric right there, but I feel like this is like a mom's jacket. Yeah, I'm getting rid of this. This is not, it's fucking ugly. You guys, I will say, sorry, yes, it's still messy down there, but I will say that it makes it, I feel like I can breathe, and there's just a lot more room down here, and it's gonna help make the space look bigger. Yeah. Oh, I'm just happy about that. All right, you guys, so everything's been packed up and ready to go. The cool thing about doing this is that when I was putting things away, I think there was only one thing that I put aside. Two things. One, because I'm gonna keep it. The other one, I thought, wait, I know somebody that would love this shirt, so I'm gonna give that to him tomorrow. Also, when I'm putting, like I said, when I was putting the stuff away, I realized, like, I don't feel bad. Like, I don't feel like, oh man, why am I trying to give this away? No, I actually was like, okay, gotta go. So that's actually, like, to me, I take that as a sign that, yeah, I never needed it. You know what I mean? And it's time to move that aside and make room for more stuff and go shopping. My boyfriend's gonna kill me. No, it doesn't mean go shopping. It just means as time goes on, shop smarter in the sense of, like I said earlier, making sure that I buy something that is more like for every season versus something that is more trendy. And you know, at a certain age, you're just kind of like, well, I don't really want that anymore. Definitely don't need this, or definitely don't want that. But there are times when I know I'm gonna probably buy something that's like, okay, you know, for a special occasion. You just don't want to take that many pictures in it. How about that? Only because you want to be able to reuse it over and over again. You know what I'm saying? Well, anyways, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you get the idea of how it is to get rid of some of your stuff and don't hoarder all your crap and just let it go. If you don't need it, let it go. Just let it go. Ooh. Anyways, bye you guys.